Stainless steel versus aluminum, the baking showdown.
Hello, baking enthusiasts. In this video, we are going to dissect the advantages and disadvantages of using stainless steel versus aluminum in baking. Picking the right material for your baking pan can significantly affect the outcome of your culinary creations, so let's dive in.
What are the advantages of stainless steel?
Stainless steel is a durable and robust material often chosen for its longevity. It's resistant to rust, corrosion, and staining, making it ideal for long-term use. Plus, stainless steel offers an attractive, professional look in your kitchen. It also retains heat well, which can provide even baking once the pan has reached the desired temperature. This can result in more uniform cooking of your baked goods, especially for recipes that require slower, more consistent heat.
What are the disadvantages of stainless steel?
On the flip side, stainless steel does have some cons. Its main drawback is that it does not conduct heat as well as aluminum, meaning it may take longer to heat up. This can lead to slower start times for your baking and may require adjustments to your recipes or baking times. Stainless steel is also typically more expensive than aluminum. If cost is a factor, this might be something to consider.
What are the advantages of aluminum?
Aluminum, on the other hand, is an excellent heat conductor. It heats up quickly and distributes the heat evenly across its surface, which can provide consistent baking results. It is also typically lighter than stainless steel, making it easier to handle when placing in and removing from the oven. Lastly, aluminum bakeware is generally more affordable, which can be a big advantage if you're on a budget or just starting out in baking.
What are the disadvantages of aluminum?
The main disadvantage of aluminum is that it's not as durable as stainless steel. It can warp, scratch, and dent more easily, which could affect its performance and lifespan. Additionally, uncoated aluminum can react with acidic foods, potentially altering the taste and color of your baked goods. In conclusion, both stainless steel and aluminum have their unique sets of pros and cons when it comes to baking. Your choice between the two will largely depend on your specific baking needs, budget, and personal preference. Remember, the perfect bakeware doesn't make the baker. It's all about the love and creativity you put into your culinary creations. Happy baking!